Hello everyone and welcome to Learn with Chris Designs, and in today's video we'll be learning how to design and prototype this interactive side menu, right? And without much ado, let's get started. Alright, so welcome back. Okay, I want to quickly make an announcement. We've crossed over 200 subscribers, and I want to say thank you guys. And if you're new, if you're seeing my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. So back to today's video. So we have the home screen and the menu screen, right? There's already a video for this home screen. Right, so we'll start with the menu screen. You just go to frame iPhone 13 mini, right? And we are going to make use of gradient, which is radial, for the inner color here. We'll pick it from here, or 2828. So it's for the darker one, which is the outer color. 121212. Yeah, so we have our menu already. So let's just bring this down here and let's take all these assets and drag them here. Okay, so if you notice, when I click on when I click on this, it's kind of, there's a way it moves, right? It's not just move instant. So we are going to like move all these components out a bit so that um it will have that interaction, right? Yeah. So let me remove clip content here so you can see this. Now I'll select this and move them out. Let's say -70. Okay. And you just keep moving, moving, moving. Just keep moving each one of them. So we also need to move this out. Yeah. They're actually inside this frame, right? They are within. You can see all of them. They are just out. I don't know if you get my explanation. Like inside the layer of this frame, they are inside it, right? You can see all the items. They are inside it. So if you click on clip content, you no longer see them. But if you click on turn it off, you see them. So we need our home screen, right? Let's just drag this, put it, make sure it's on top, and place it right. And also we could now turn on the clip content so those contents disappear. Then when we duplicate this now, okay, inside the duplicated frame, we click on the home screen and we use our scale tool, which is K shortcut, and kind of scale it down a bit. Yeah, let's um give it a radius of 24, and let's move it to the center. like this. It's still inside this frame. Okay, now those contents we clipped out. Let me move this so we can see them. Select them all, right? Line them properly, and let's bring them back in. And also these are close, bringing it back in, and let's just move this a bit down. Yeah, and we clip content again. Yeah, so we now have our two frame the way we want it. Let's just rename this as home, rename this as menu. Now it's time to prototype, right? Click on prototype and here, and you select this hamburger menu, take it here, that's to the menu screen, right? Trigger on tap, navigate action, destination, which is the menu. Animation, smart animate, right? And for the close, you click on this, you take it back to this same settings, right? Yeah, now so let's quickly preview this. Okay, so you can see we were able to achieve that. So thanks for staying to the end of this video. um if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you